Peeps, there you have it. It's the first ever one in the world Brain pilot jacket. This is in size XL. As you can see, it's got zips, it's got fur on the collars, it's got literally pockets everywhere. Got pocket here, pocket here, pocket there. The lining is removable as well for washing and also temperature control. So if it's winter or summer, you could wear it either way. You've got a pocket inside here. This is a fat jacket, man, and also the fur comes off as well. It's zippable. All these things are good. Look, you've got sleeve pockets, and there's also option to customize on the back, guys. Now, bear in mind, I've only got one of these today. One. That's it. That's all I've got. And this, because I believe these jackets are going to be quite hard to get now. So I've only got size XL, so first come, first serve. Whoever gets to the website now and follows the link in my bio will get to purchase this jacket.